If you love exploring beneath the waves, finding the right gear is essential. The best action camera for diving ensures crystal clear underwater footage, durable design, and easy handling, letting you capture every marine adventure with stunning detail and color. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. XbotGo 60fps Action Camera. The XbotGo 60fps action camera stands out as a versatile and intelligent tool for capturing sports, travel, and adventure footage. Its continuously evolving AI photographer functionality transforms your smartphone into an AI-powered shooting device, providing automatic sports tracking, live streaming, and automatic highlight generation through the XbotGo app. This ensures that your footage is always professionally composed without requiring manual adjustments, making it perfect for both amateur and experienced content creators. One of its most remarkable features is the revolutionary sports tracking, powered by the XBot Vision AI 2.0 algorithm, which delivers precise tracking across over 20 sports. Whether you are capturing team sports such as soccer and basketball or individual activities like gymnastics and martial arts, the XbotGo Chameleon ensures your shots remain focused and dynamic. Beyond intelligent tracking, this camera excels in AI-assisted auto-editing and live streaming. Users can effortlessly create stunning video montages, highlight reels, and instantly broadcast content to popular streaming platforms, making social sharing seamless and engaging. Its superior hardware further enhances the experience, featuring 360-degree panoramic tracking and a 120-degree ultra-wide-angle AI lens to capture every angle of action. Number 2. DJI Osmo 360-degree Action Camera. The DJI Osmo 360-degree Action Camera is an exceptional choice for those seeking a premium 360-degree capture experience. Equipped with groundbreaking 1-inch 360-degree imaging sensors, this camera delivers outstanding low-light performance, ensuring crisp, detailed footage in every scenario. Its 8K video capabilities allow users to capture ultra-high-resolution panoramas that maintain clarity and vibrant colors in both day and night environments. Whether exploring urban landscapes, chasing sunrises, or recording high-intensity activities, this camera offers immersive video quality unmatched in its category. With a 170-degree ultra-wide view and 4K 120fps recording, the DJI Osmo guarantees smooth, fluid capture of fast action, perfect for extreme sports or travel content. The camera also excels in photography, providing ultra-high-resolution 120MP 360 photos that allow for immersive viewing experiences. Its innovative magnetic quick-release system enables seamless switching between 360-degree panoramic shots and single-lens vlogs, giving content creators flexibility in how they capture every moment. The camera supports up to 100 minutes of continuous 8K 30fps recording, ensuring you won't miss crucial moments during extended adventures. Number 3. GoPro Hero 13 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 13 action camera continues the brand's tradition of delivering exceptional action footage with advanced versatility and professional-grade quality. Equipped with HB series lenses, including ultra-wide, macro, and anamorphic lens mods, the Hero 13 provides flexibility for capturing everything from sweeping landscapes to intricate close-ups. Its lens auto-detection system automatically adjusts settings, ensuring optimal image quality without requiring manual intervention. The camera's 5.3K video capability offers breathtaking resolution, delivering 91% more detail than 4K and over 6 times more than 1080p, allowing users to capture stunning, high-definition footage. In addition to high-resolution video, the Hero 13 can extract 24.7 MP photos from recorded clips using the GoPro Quick app, giving creators versatile options for still photography. Slow-motion enthusiasts will appreciate the Burst Slow-Mo feature, which records action up to 13x slower than normal, capturing minute details that are otherwise invisible to the naked eye. This is ideal for extreme sports, adventure activities, or creative cinematic shots. The Hero 13 also excels in dynamic environments, handling bright sunlight, shadows, and rapid movements with consistent clarity and minimal distortion. Number 4. GoPro Hero 12 Action Camera. The GoPro Hero 12 Action Camera is engineered to deliver unmatched performance for adventure enthusiasts and professional content creators. Included with the Hero 12 Black are essential accessories, such as an Enduro battery, USB-C charging cable, curved adhesive mount, mounting buckle, and thumb screw, providing everything needed to start filming immediately. Built to withstand extreme conditions, the camera is rugged and fully waterproof up to 33 feet, 10 meters, making it perfect for underwater adventures, snowboarding, or rain-soaked trails. Its new Enduro battery doubles runtime, allowing up to 70 minutes of continuous 5.3K 60 recording, while maintaining remarkable energy efficiency. Video quality is exceptional, with 5.3K footage offering 91% more resolution than 4K, and photos up to 27 MP, extracted from videos using the GoPro Quick app. The Hero 12 also supports high dynamic range, HDR video and photography, preserving details in both shadows and highlights for accurate, lifelike colors. The Emmy Award-winning Hypersmooth 6.0 stabilization ensures that even the most jittery or action-packed scenes are captured with silky smooth footage. Whether filming high-speed sports, underwater dives, or daily adventures, this camera combines durability, battery efficiency, and advanced imaging technology. Number 5. DJI Osmo 120 FPS Action Camera. The DJI Osmo 120 FPS action camera is designed for adventure seekers who demand superior image quality and smooth performance in extreme conditions. Equipped with a large 1 and 1.3-inch sensor, it captures stunning 4K video with excellent low-light performance, ensuring every detail of your adventure is preserved from dawn to dusk. Its 10-bit D-Log-M color system produces vivid, true-to-life colors, making sunrises, sunsets, and underwater scenes look extraordinary. The camera excels in extreme environments, functioning reliably in temperatures as low as -20 degrees Celsius, -4 degrees Fahrenheit, and recording up to 150 minutes non-stop, ensuring that no thrilling moment goes unrecorded. 3 stabilization modes ensure crystal-clear footage on rugged terrains, from mountain biking to surfing or skateboarding, eliminating shaky, unusable shots. Compact and durable, the DJI Osmo 120 FPS action camera is easy to mount on helmets, drones, or handheld rigs, enhancing versatility for content creators. Its combination of long battery life, high-performance imaging, and stabilization makes it a reliable companion for capturing action in challenging conditions. Overall, this camera is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, extreme sports participants, and adventure vloggers looking to record stunning, professional-quality footage with ease and precision, ensuring every adventure is beautifully documented. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.